So now we've selected the disk type, we've made the label, selected a template, however we've come up with it, we're now ready to publish. Now the publish aspect of Total Disc Maker is very, very, very straightforward, and it is also here that you would consider saving the entire job, which is you can save a link between the actual image and the actual disk image that you have saved to your 7200 RPM hard drive so that they can actually pull it up and you can just go straight to the job. So let's take a look at how the publish aspect of the Epson Total Disc Maker software is set up. First, you can select Write Data and Print Label, or you can select just Write Data, or you can say don't write data, just print label. So you have your choice of just making it a printer and a burner, or just making it a burner. So let's say that what we want to do here is to make it a printer and a burner. So now that we have this, let's take a look at the first thing we do, is output devices. These are all the different publishers. Like I've got Publisher 0, Publisher 1, Acme Droid 1, and Acme DVD Plus R. What this means is that I may have multiple machines on the system. It's going to tell me which one is ready. In this case, it is this one that is ready. And what I can do if I want to change the properties is select this right here, and I can say, okay, I want it in batch mode, yes, as you can see here. I want it to use both drives, and I want it to use the printer. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to have it be CD minus R. I can also have it be all of these other ones, but in this instance, that's what it is that I want it to be, a CD minus R, because that's what I'm burning. Another nice feature of the software is that it has a number of write retries, and what it is let's say I have some questionable discs, or I have discs that have gotten mixed in, DVD or CD plus R's and minus R's, and what it will do is this gives it the number of retries before it will say, nope, can't do it. I can say, make that 2, make that 1, make that 5, make that 6. I'm going to make it 3, which is what the default is. And I hit apply, OK, and there we are. Now this is ready to go. Now the other thing that is important, and this is very, very important, is you have to make sure that you select the type or the write speed for the type of media that you have in the machine. You have to make sure that you select it. So in this case, this is a 40x disk. I'm going to select 40x. Do I want write verification? Yes or no? I'm going to select no. For printer mode, I can select quality or speed. I'm going to go for quality. So now that we've selected quality, let's select the type of media that we're going to be printing on. In this instance, here we have 3, Epson has 3. We have CD DVD label, CD DVD premium label, and Epson specified CD DVD label. Now this specific one, Epson specified CD DVD label, is for the water shield media, the highest quality media that you can get to print on. That would be the selection that you would pick if you print on water shield media. If you're printing on something else other than water shield media, you need to play around with these too. So if it's a high quality matte finish DVD, it's probably going to be premium label. If it's a lesser quality one, then this would be the one that you want to select. So let us select the default, which is CD DVD label, and enter in the number of copies right here. So let's enter in the number of copies we want. Let's say we wanted 112. Let's hit publish. What's going to happen is the Epson Total Disc Maker software is going to say, you can only enter an integer between 1 and 100. I'm going to click OK. So let's say I want 12. I hit publish, and I have to make sure, and this is very, very important, you want to make sure that you select the appropriate write speed. You have to select the write speed for the media. The software will not automatically select it for you. So you have to make sure that if you're working with 40x media, you select 40x media. If you're working with 16x media, you select 16x media. Since we're working with 40x media, we're going to select that. We're going to hit publish. It's going to register the job. And the Epson Total Disc Maker monitor is going to come up. And what's going to occur is that the robotic arm is going to pick up a disk, transfer it to the first drive. Then the robotic arm is going to pick up a disk and transfer it to the second drive. and it's going to take to produce those 12 discs and print them a total of 19 minutes. That, in a nutshell, is how the Epson DiscProducer and the Epson Total Disc Maker software works. It's a fairly straightforward, fairly easy way to make an incredible amount of DVDs and CDs.